Hey, what's up guys? This is Jeff Carbuoy, and today I'm going to show you the two fuse box location on the Honda Civic. And this particular one is a 2013. This will cover for 2012 all the way to 2016, all two fuse box location. Now before I show you any fuse box location, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That is if you haven't subscribed yet. And for those who have subscribed, thank you guys for your support. Now the first fuse box location is going to be inside the vehicle, and it's going to be right here on the driver's side, right below the footrest right here. If you look down here, you find the first, you see the diagram right here. This is a diagram for the, shows the fuse amperage, the functions and all that good stuff. Just wanted to make sure that I got a good angle for you to see the good diagram. Right above this diagram, the fuses are right above it right here, and most of the time there is no cover for that fuse box, so it's just the fuses right above it. You find all the fuses and some relays. All right, now let's go to the next fuse box location, which is going to be under the hood. So we're gonna pop the hood. And here we go. Right next to the battery, it's still going to be here on the driver's side. Right beside the battery, you see this cover right here. Now we need this, pop it out. And here we go. There is the next fuse box, and it got some fuses and relays. Again, on the back of the cover, you will find the diagram. You also find on the back of the cover, you also find the spare fuses right there, and you also find the fuse removing tool right there. All right, now to put this cover back in there, you just line it up like that, place, and it's going to lock in place. And those are the two fuse box location on the Honda Civic, the 2013. So if you like that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, let me know what you think on the comment section. Stay tuned.